conference. We have here Coach Takamigawa and Michelle Cobo of the Akari Chargers in 1 in 4 sets against the next leg Royals. Coach, congratulations on this victory, 7th straight win for Akari. How are you feeling about this win?
All the games I think were the same. As always, first set is very weak, and also today is also happened again. We really need to fix if it's going to be the champion team because of the now we are lucky kasi it's the bottom team. But the quarter final again Petrovac which also strong team and also Pamphlet also strong team for the next one. So we really need to work on like from the beginning we really need to be strong, start strong. That's why yeah, I think I always believe the player, but from the beginning I'm still confused about the play.
Thank you, Coach. And after this win, you're a little emotional during the interview. What were your thoughts on this win against Nextlen?
I think kasi parang I was emotional because like what I said in the interview, it's our team's been through a lot then in terms of challenges ganyan, and really emotional lang na parang even if we did go through a lot of challenges, parang nandun pa rin kami, like with my teammates, the support they give me, the coaches, the support and the trust they give me, it's still there. So parang ayun, just made me emotional. And yeah, good thing na ayun nga, I still can lean on them.
Thank you, Tom. The floor is open for questions.
Michelle, ano lang masasabi mo sa naging growth ng team na from dati ngayon naging 7-0 na ngayon, 1 win away from sweeping the preliminary round?
Sobrang thank you Lord kasi siguro hindi din alam ng lahat din kung yun nga, kung ano din yung pinagdaanan ng team. So ano to team effort talaga siya, to the coaches, to the players, to the management, and lahat kasi gustong may mangyari. Everyone wants something to happen, and that something is syempre good and better, and everyone wants better for the whole team. So I think naging different lang is with the help of Coach Taka's leadership in the system, parang nakuha niya kami lahat in one vote. Nakuha niya kami na this is what I wanna do, I hope you guys wanna do it too. And I think yun yung kaya kami 7-0 kasi ano lang, sumusunod kami and may tiwala kami sa isa't isa and patient kami sa isa't isa no matter what.
For Coach, many of your players credit your system. That's why Akari has been on a good run of form. But for you personally, what has worked, or what's one thing that you can identify that has been working for the team, and that's why you're currently the #1 seed and still undefeated?
Since I'm starting coaching Akari, Akari have a lot of good players and also have potential. And they have their own opinion. So, and then also, I handle the under-18 national team. Actually, this team, I just handle 1 month only. So I'm just focused on like, I'm still asking the player, like what you guys want to have a make it tactical. So sometimes I just ask you to a player, like what do you think about this tactical? And then if you guys want to change, let's make a suggestion. And then I think that's also a good thing. As always, we lost first set, but from the second set or third set, we can organize for the team. That's what I think most we're organized team. Like we can create our variable during a game.
Last conference, na nag-execute review na you are seeking improvement individually and as a team. So, ano lang yung mga improvements na you needed para maging 7-0 dito sa conference na to, and at the same time, paano nyo ito dadalhin sa next round?
Marami pa po. I think top of my head would be kung anong nangyari the past games, which is game plan namin kasi is always to start strong, and hindi namin nagagawa the past game. So, yun pa rin talaga yung kailangan namin improve if gusto namin, makadating sa taas. And kasi, yung composition namin, parang nandun na yun like nandun na yung kapit. So feel ko, parang embodying lang kung ano yung strengths namin, which is, yun nga, if we start the game strong, then it will really say a lot. And yeah, top of my head would be yun lang muna yung kailangan namin improve ngayon na explosive ba, dominance ba.
Do you believe na you can go all the way dito sa conference?
Yes. Kasi, like what I said, we're all in the same page and we're all going in the same direction. So as long as consistent kami sa ganun na, you know, keep pushing forward lang, no matter what happens, no matter the circumstances sa team, as long as we, you know, keep it together and follow.
Mitch, this was an emotional win for you, and being
Sorry na.
being one of the pinakamatagal na players sa Akari at saka captain. Did you ever see Akari being this dominant sa conference na to?
You mean just this conference?
Or since?
I think yes po. I think marami din kasing naging changes yung Akari in terms of players, in terms of coaches. So, etong this time around, na feel ko din po yung difference. So, for me positive siya kasi, ayun nga, like what I said, lahat kasi kami in sync in terms of dun sa system ni Coach Saka, which I know everyone talks about it, na yung discipline and just tactical and all, like, so I think in-expect pa rin siya this season na masaangat kami. And I'm not just saying that because I'm saying that, but I think, yun nga, nakikita ko yung difference as a player who's been here for, you know, the first week.
Coach, just looking ahead, whether you sweep the remaining game or not, you're likely facing top 7 or top 8 seed, and you also mentioned that you're possibly facing strong teams there. I guess, how are you looking forward to, you know, just making sure that your team is ready to face those, you know, tough teams?
Actually, before start second round, I already mentioned to the team, Petrogas and Chocomocho can win like top 3 team. That's why like we don't have any advantage, even the ranking 1. But on the schedule, only one thing, only one way. If it's going to still on the ranking 1, we have more preparation time, more than other team. That's why like it's okay to lose one set or two set, but we cannot lose. Only we just focus on the win, and then also just keep on the good condition and also preparation for the quarterfinal. I'm not expecting anything for ranking 1 against ranking 8. It's really like crucial game.
Coach, is there any reason why Camille Cal didn't play in this game?
Minor injury. She had a checkup, and also tomorrow also she will have another checkup. I think she's okay. But others like we start Mitch first set in this conference against Capital One, so we don't have any problem. I just believe on the play.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you very much.
Thank you.